Oh, you pissed the bird off.
What?
You pissed the bird off.
You're not even wet.
Oh, he's jumping. Oh, I was trying to get a photo of him jumping. Oh, the camera died. Okay, there's going to be a bunch of photos on your phone because I'm trying to get Burrito jumping and doing that
No,
flip
I don't
thing.
want photos on my phone.
No, I'm trying to get Burrito doing that flip.
I don't care. I'm deleting all of them now.
I might have got one. Oh, Shenza. Shoot, the real camera died. Get him to flip. Get him to flip again. Get him to do a big flip.
I don't control him, so.
Yeah, you do.
Well, kind of. I can make him try to jump. Oh my God, it's raining so hard.
I want to see a big flip and then I'll stop the video.
I can't pick it up.
Sure. I mean, it looks fun. I'm not going to do it, but it looks fun.
It is.
Gates.
Yeah, you can just see the streaks of water going down.
I know, I can see it, dude. You're crazy. You're a wild man.
Dad, change. You can just change it right after. Dad, please. Dad, please. Put the camera down and come out with me. He's good, right?
They're just hanging out watching though, because their nest is up there. That was fun.
Yeah, see? Yeah, you're old, but you can still have kid fun.
Yeah, there you go. You gotta have a little bit of fun.
Oh, bonito.